Welcome, dear audience, to an inspiring journey through 30 motivational quotes from some of the world's most revered figures. These timeless words, ranging from Mahatma Gandhi to Albert Einstein, are beacons of wisdom that illuminate the path to success and happiness. Join us as we explore the profound insights and encouragement offered by these renowned personalities, each quote a testament to the enduring power of human resilience, determination, and vision. In this collection, we present a tapestry of motivational quotes from a diverse array of influential minds, including Gandhi, Einstein, Shakespeare, and other celebrated figures. These quotes encapsulate profound insights into life, success, and the pursuit of happiness. From the simplicity of Gandhi's, "Be the change you wish to see in the world," to the intellectual brilliance of Einstein, each quote carries a unique spark that ignites motivation and reflection. Join us on this uplifting journey and let these words resonate in your heart, guiding you towards a life filled with purpose and achievement. Here are 30 inspiring quotes for everyday life, motivational quotes from your favorite celebrities.
Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Don't count the days, make the days count. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. The only impossible journey is the one you never begin. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. The best way to predict the future is to create it. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. If you want to achieve greatness, stop asking for permission. Your time is limited, don't waste it living someone else's life. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Do not wait to strike till the iron is hot, but make it hot by striking. It always seems impossible until it's done. The only thing standing between you and your goal is the story you keep telling yourself as to why you can't achieve it. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. You have within you right now everything you need to deal with whatever the world can throw at you. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Success is not in what you have, but who you are. The road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. The only thing standing between you and your goal is the story you keep telling yourself as to why you can't achieve it. Do what you can, with what you have, where you are. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today.
As we conclude this exploration of motivational wisdom, may these quotes serve as constant companions on your journey. Remember, the wisdom of these remarkable individuals transcends time and circumstance. Carry these words with you, let them inspire your actions, and may they be a source of strength in times of challenge. Your path to success and happiness is uniquely yours, and with these timeless insights, may you forge ahead with determination, resilience, and an unwavering belief in your potential. Until we meet again on the next chapter of inspiration, embrace the transformative power of these quotes in your everyday life. Thank you for joining us. Quotes remind us that we have the power to uplift ourselves and others, even in challenging times. If you found this video inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more uplifting content. Best regards, AC Pearl Quotes.